What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are jumping into the future and talking about something that gets every car enthusiast's heart racing, the Detroit Auto Show. But not just any show. But trust me, the whispers and predictions are already starting, and what they suggest is nothing short of a revolution for the Motor City. So, what can we realistically expect from the 2026 Detroit Auto Show? Let's start with the biggest trend, electrification. I'm not just talking about a few new models here and there. I'm talking about entire lineups going electric. Ford will likely be showcasing the next generation of the F-150 Lightning, maybe with a groundbreaking new battery technology that pushes the range well beyond the 500-mile mark. And imagine a fully electric Bronco, designed to take on the toughest trails without a single drop of gasoline. It's not a question of if, but when. Then you have General Motors. They've been all in on their Ultium platform, and by 2026, expect to see a production version of the Cadillac Celestiq, a true flagship of luxury and tech. Think a Chevy Bolt successor that's sleeker, has more range, and a price tag that truly makes electric cars accessible to everyone. And of course, the electric Corvette we've seen the array. Now, let's not forget Stellantis. Jeep will have expanded its 4Z plug-in hybrid lineup across almost every model, and we'll probably see their first all-electric Wranglers and Grand Cherokees hitting the floor. Ram is another one to watch. The Ram 1500 REV is just the beginning. By 2026, we could see a heavy-duty electric Ram that challenges Ford and GM for the all-electric truck crown. And what about Dodge? The electric Charger is coming, but what will the future of American muscle look like 2 years from now? Expect even more power, more insane performance, and a sound that, while different, is still pure Dodge. But the 2026 show won't just be about the big three. The international players will be there in force. Toyota and Honda, who have been a bit more cautious on the EV front, will have to bring their logam. We might see the first solid-state battery-powered concepts from Toyota, promising faster charging and longer life. Hyundai and Kia will continue their design and technology onslaught, with next-gen Ioniq and EVH models. And the German giants, BMW, Mercedes, and Audi will be showing off their next wave of electric sedans and SUVs, pushing the boundaries of luxury, performance, and in-car technology. The line between a car show and a tech expo will have completely blurred. Expect massive, interactive displays focused on autonomous driving. You might be able to sit in a simulated self-driving car and experience a hands-free commute through a virtual city. Augmented reality will play a huge role, too. Imagine pointing your phone at a new Mustang and seeing a full 3D cutaway of its electric powertrain, or customizing its color and wheels in real time. The show floor will be less about static displays and more about immersive experiences. So, what's the big picture for Detroit 2026? It's a showcase of a fully transformed industry. The internal combustion engine won't be gone, and autonomous capability. As much as horsepower and design, it will be the moment the Motor City proves it is still the undisputed heart of automotive innovation. What are you most excited to see in 2026? A specific model, a new technology. Drop your predictions in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you all think. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you Dan Timus what's next. Catch you in the next one.